has been what my life but give me dear I am here I am doing mere you my life very happy new you are my wife happy my life we both delight happy marriage we must give our children a good education we have a good name among the us after we will die the people remanded us people after